Yeah, hi. Good afternoon, and how are you doing these days?
Hi, very good afternoon. I'm doing great. I'm very well. What about you? How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic. Thank you so much for asking. So, how
You're
was your day
welcome.
today?
It's good. Little bit it's good. I'm at home, so it's not too much hectic as usual. So it's going normal.
Okay.
But weather is
So,
getting hotter.
so how do you usually, spend your day? Like since morning till evening, till night?
I go to work. I return from work. So whole day I spend there. In
Mm-hmm.
morning and evening I spend with family. In evening I go to outside. I play there. I play with my children and I play some sports. I do running and many things. At least I spend some time outside. And in night I listen some videos, having
Okay.
food. So this is normal routine.
Mm-hmm.
And what's
Okay.
about your routine? How usually do you spend your whole day?
For the working professional, it is pretty same. Like 9 hours, they are already occupied in their work, and apart from that, somehow I have to do some household chores at my home. And when I get free time, then I do some conversation. But it is very nowadays it has become bit hectic for me because I'm not getting enough time. So somehow somehow I'm able to manage one or two video in a week. And other than that, I have to learn, or you can say study some technical things in the night time. This is the kind of same routine every day.
Almost same. Maybe
Hmm.
things are here. You are saying another thing, I am saying that. Name are the bus almost routine are same, routine is same.
Hmm. Okay, so do you have any topic for discussion today?
We haven't planned it, and it's unplanned session. So just go the flow, go with flow.
Because I don't have enough question for now. So if you have, so you can bring up.
Right now, like we use technology, so there are two sides for everything. So
Hmm.
we can't say that without technology we can complete our day. Impossible. So how can we like adjust ourselves that in a limit? How can say we set a limit in everything? Like we have food, junk food, so we
Hmm.
should at least in the limit. And some they started watching movies. So one day movie, next day, third day, every day they are consuming two, three, four. So it's a never-ending process circle. Like everyone, if
Yeah.
we do something, anything, so we get addicted of doing that thing. Are you agree with me?
Yes, absolutely.
We listen some songs. So every day we used to listen those songs only one, two, two, three, four. So we get addicted very easily. So what do you say? How can we get rid of this addiction of everything, not only a single thing?
Hmm. I would say that nowadays everything has become very easy to access. So that's why people are, like they are able to do that thing or access that thing. For example, you said about movies or songs or any kind of videos. So why
Not
people
only
are
movie,
addicted?
it's in everywhere.
It's about
Video game,
everything.
everywhere.
So
Positive or
because it
negative,
is
both sides.
now people have already technology, and it is very easy to access everything. So that is why they have become it has become part of their life that they are using a lot. But it depends on person to person, like how they have to use it and how they have to control themselves. Because like it's up to you only, because everybody can give you suggestion, like you don't have to use mobile phones a lot, your eyes will hurt a lot, or you will face these kind of disease and all. But still people are really habitual of doing that. Like we say that excessive for anything is not good, so you have to maintain that kind of balance. Time management is very important. Like we are also using mobile phones, and I can't deny that I'm not using any social media app. I am also using it, but I know that how much I have to use it. Like I'm already occupied in some other stuff, so I will not use in that way. But if I have to watch for entertainment purpose, so yeah, definitely I will watch for 1 hour or 2 hours. So it ups to me, like how I have managed or divided my time for everything. So I would say it depends on person. I can't say any other answer for now.
Agree with you. You're saying right. It's depend person to person. Some it's totally up to your approach in which way you are thinking. And but majority of us we are totally addicted to using technology. Like we know very well that whenever we wake up in first 1 hour we should avoid using mobile. It's common thing everyone knows. and we
Mm-hmm.
don't have any important work that if we reply like after 1 hour, so something will happen. Nothing like this. And we know very well that before going to bed, at least 1 hour before, we should stop using the mobile.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone knows. But our day starts with mobile only. Whenever we wake up, we see mobile and we see WhatsApp, and we are not sitting on like higher position. We don't have a responsibility to message that instantly we have to reply. Nothing like this. Majority of us, maybe some percent, some a few percent, they have some like a top responsibility or they are accountable to doing that things. But majority of us, we don't have compulsion. If we can reply them later, so it's no issue.
Mm-hmm.
It's same in night, we know. But after that, knowing all things, what we are doing, just the same thing again and again on daily basis.
Yes, yes. And I think, like as I said, that it depends on person. So if you really want to do something, or you don't want to waste your time, because if you already know that if you will waste this time for these things, for unnecessary things, so you will get less time for your work or for other things. So try to manage your time, like how you have to balance your time. And you said that it is not that compulsion that you have to see the notification every time and have to reply in a very quick time. It is not that mandatory. So why we
Right,
are
right.
spending too much time on unnecessary thing? Instead, we can utilize in some other ways. But you know what happens? Like nowadays, everything we are totally relying on the technology. Like if I share about me, so what happens? Most of the time, I have to study related to my technical stuff, or sometimes English also. So I have only two options, whether laptop or mobile. So I will always be, watching these kind of things. I already know that I'm already, watching 9 hours. I'm already in front of laptop. Still, apart from that, if I have time, so I have to use my mobile or laptop only. So I can't deny that I can't, I have to limit myself. But yeah, I can limit to see unnecessary thing that is not required. So in this way only I can, manage that thing.
You can cut out extra hours, not like quality hours. If you have work, so you can't do this thing that I want to do my work. If you want to do your work, so who will provide you salary? No one. And you're getting a job is not easy nowadays. We have our work. So in this way, we have to do our work. Doesn't matter we are doing over online. We have to do. Anyhow, we have to do. But it's like a common thing. But we can do one thing. Like those they are totally unaware of their times. They don't know where their time is going. They can ask a simple question from themselves. Whenever they are doing something, they can ask from themselves, what am I doing right now? It's
Mhm.
important for me or not.
Yes.
It's a simple question. They can set a reminder that every 1 hour, every 30 minutes later, I'll ask this question from me. And in this way, at least they'll get some basic idea that 3 to 5 every day they are totally wasting. Every day 2 hours is like 14 hours in a week, in a month, like it's 60 to 70 hours. So it's not a small number.
Yes, yes. And think about those kind of successful person. Even I have seen or watched some of the interviews of, like, maybe UPSC aspirant and all. So they are like that. They are very far
Uh,
from social media.
Not
Like they
use
are not they are not using that much. So that's why they are totally engaged in their studies. So somehow, because they know that they have to, their first priority is that.
they have to manage.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they will be regret. And another thing, like nowadays, I listen podcasting. Someday I was listening to podcasting. Elon Musk were there. So I heard that podcasters, he asked him a question that what is your average time of using mobile? Like every day we use mobile. So what's your average time of using mobile?
Hmm.
So I'm asking you, what would he be saying? So right? Elon Musk, he's the richest person on this earth now. So you can tell, can you guess that how many hours, minutes, seconds, or in a day he uses his mobile? He uses his mobile.
I'm not sure, but maybe 3 to 4 hours,
Only 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Oh my God.
Yes, only 5 minutes.
Hmm.
And here is no one we will find that he using his mobile. But Right now, like, his vision is totally different. Elon Musk, his vision is totally different. I think he have 4 or 5 children right now,
Yes, yes.
and he's living of life.
Because he knows
His
his
approach of
priority
living life
first.
totally
So,
different.
mm,
Yes, he know.
so yeah, it depends.
And like we use Facebook, Instagram, but the developer of these applications they don't use these applications. Mark Zuckerberg, he don't use Facebook. Maybe he have account, but he don't have time for sending request to another that I'm
Mm,
on Facebook. This is my picture or this thing. And then you will be shocked that on Facebook there are two color only, blue and white.
mm,
Mark Berg have some problem in color combination. He can't define some. He have like color blindness or something like this. To for making his like a for his suitability, he choose that color
okay.
because he can't difference between red and pink. So there were some problem. So he decided that I'm going to this shade to this application. So blue and but still they are not. They have account, but they are not using, and we don't have nothing to do. We are spending hours of hours there.
Mm-hmm.
So they are
Yeah,
totally consumer.
yeah, and I think people are consuming these kind of content or using unnecessary or excessive. So I'm not saying that you don't have to use that thing. Yeah, you can, but limit yourself. So everything has their limitation. You can say advantage and disadvantage both. So if you are well
Right,
enough,
right, right, right.
well aware, so like most of the people are already aware that yes, if you will, use this
Try to
content.
develop something like they developed this application in their college years. So when they were very young, they created like these applications, and still we are user. We also create many because we have more resources.
Yeah, they used their mind in some other creative things, and now what people are doing, they are just watching and
And
consuming
so
those which
just
is
making
already
Maggie
available.
and
Yeah.
ordering food and having snacks and having cold drink only. Just to
And
have
nowadays,
eat,
even
sleep, and
children are not eating food without mobile phone. I know, like the small children, you must
situation is
have
totally
seen.
bad.
Yeah.
Right.
Even I have
If
seen
you
these
see
things
the
in my surrounding also. Like children, they are not eating food without, mobile phone, without watching mobile phone or any cartoons and all. So how, like parents can, get rid from this problem because they are facing these days a lot. Because for example, if you are parents, so you are using mobile or laptop, so you can't, convince your children to not use.
we can't restrict them that we not use mobile. Using mobile is not good. It's harmful for them because we are what we are doing. We are doing opposite. We are using mobile and we are saying that don't use mobile. So it's not a sign of a good parenting. First, implement in yourself. If you want to see, Gandhi once said, if you want to see change in the world, so start from yourself only. Try to change yourself. If you can
Mhm.
change your vision, so after that, you will see that the world is changing. Till then, there is no option, no solution.
Yes, yes. You can't stop them. Yeah, you can limit their
Reality,
timing, but you can't stop them to use.
India is the largest country in the world by population. In unofficial data, we cross the China's population. There are some restrictions that only
Hmm.
1 and 2 the policies are there, but here is no policy. Two, three, many more. How many you want to keep continue? There is no limit, and
Hmm.
it's totally depend on person. Like if parents they want one, two, so it's totally their choice. But China they have some policies, one to child policy, two child policy. So in this way they stop their population. Otherwise, they were on first position, and right now we are on number one. But it's not a proud moment. We are on okay. So it's okay. We can say in positive way. We are the largest. At least we have ranked. But in many diseases, obesity, and many more, we will be shocked that mostly Indians they are suffering from something, at least
Hmm.
some illness. Some they have uh, like outside problems. Some they have inside. So many illness is common. If you visit any doctor, like any hospital, you will find that it's always full everywhere. Government hospital, private hospital, everywhere. Situation is very bad.
Hmm.
Our like food standard, uh, live of life, living life. So everything is like totally heavily decreasing day by day.
Yes, yes, yes. And like I
And
have
okay,
heard a news from I don't remember the state, like they banned social media for teens for around 15 years old people. So what do you think that it should be applied to our our country as well?
But I also heard that maybe this in UK or Australia. I think in UK they banned that students up to like 10th standard or 15 years age, they
15
are
years
not
of
able
age
to
they
make
come.
account on social media.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
it's good.
So
It's good.
so do you think
It's
that
a good
it can
initiative.
be
I
applied in
support.
our country also, and it should be?
Parents support children. They make their children's account. So who can stop here? If parents are supporting, they can maybe they will use their parents' account instead of their own. So it won't stop in India. It is like impossible. And okay, I told you about we are talking about our population. We are on
Mm-hmm.
number one,
Mm-hmm.
but in medal, where the number in Olympic till now we have won only I think 20 medal.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's but in America it's a small country by population, by area, by everything. By area I think it's a large, but by population it's a small country. But do you know who is Michael Phillips? Michael Phillips of parents. Michael Phillips.
Michael Phillips. Oh, I don't remember.
No, after that, this conversation, you can search it. He is a American swimmer.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes.
He, as a individual, he won like many gold medals, like more than our country. He is the single one. He won like gold medals in Olympics more than our whole country till now. Single person.
Oh my God. Yes. And here in India, people are just engaged in, making videos and reels.
Individually, I think he got a 28 medals in Olympics. Maybe 23 are golds only. But in the whole country, till now, we haven't got get these medals. If we calculated every sport medalist, but till now we haven't like get these medals.
You know
This is
what
the
I think?
single person can
What
be
I
the
think
one.
is that in India, like people have the talent, they are intelligent person, but they are not utilizing their talent in some good ways, or you can say in some creative things. Like they have creative mindset and they can do a lot of. They are finding the easiest way to earn money or to survive in their life. So they don't think beyond the box. Like they are limited and they know that we are getting enough food or I'm earning, so that is fine. They don't think about creative things. So they have talent. So like in other countries, like people they are utilizing their talent in some in doing some research or investigation and all these kind of things as well. Like you said that he is one person, but he is very well in the swimming. But here in India, people are just limited in some limited profession. They don't want to go beyond that things.
Right. And we are in like most majority of us, we are in rat race. We are doing the same thing again and again, over
Yes.
and over again. And here is in India, I see that this is very good. This thing is very common.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care. Have a great day.